Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to see or check your Facebook activities. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on to our channel because we post content like this. And to get notified for future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So to check your Facebook activity, you can just click on this three line which is at the top right corner. Then scroll down until you see setting and privacy. Then click on setting and privacy and click on setting. And once you're in setting, you can just scroll down until you see activity log. So as you guys can see, the activity log is over here. Click on it. And once you're in activity log, you can scroll down and click on view activity history, and then all your activity on your Facebook account is going to be shown over here. So yeah, like whoever photos you liked, on whose photo you commented, who's something you interacted with, it's all gonna be shown over here. So yeah, that's how you check your Facebook activity. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.